welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my March update. Had to think about the month. I always have to think about the month. March update for Partners in Cream. This is 2.0. This is the second year that we are doing it. This was a project, a brilliant project created by Steph and Delyn. They are going to be listed down below. I do believe they have a playlist that will also be listed down below. If you would like to join in, I'm sure we would love to have you because it's open to everyone. Just, as I'm knocking things around on my desk, let us know that you're joining in so that it can get to Steph or Delyn so they can add you onto the playlist. But they're really good about keeping up with that thing. This project runs January 10th to December 10th, and it is all about cream, liquid, gel kind of products, anything that's not powder, because they tend to go bad a lot faster because of the moisture content in them, and they dry up, they get bacteria in them, all the icky stuff, and they just don't seem to last as long as their powder counterparts. So this project, in all its brilliance, of course, it roped me in the first year, and I was back for year number 2. I'll be back for year number 3, and every year that they do it, I am going to be doing this project. I have a lot of liquid, cream, gel kind of products, so you know how that goes. All right, I'm going to go through the 5 products because it is, I believe, 3 to 6 products. You can pick however many that you want, and I just chose 5 because it just seemed like an easy number. And unfortunately, I don't have any empties because everything that I put in here is to finish it completely, and I did not put any easy things in, like the lip color that I'm wearing, and it's going to take a while. So I'm going to ask your opinion after I show you all of the products that are currently in. The first one, why do I have 3 lip things in here? What was I thinking? The first one is the Maybelline Color Drama in Strip Down. This is a lip paint. I actually do like this. I know Steph had this, and she did not like the smell of it. It doesn't really bother me, and the color, I kind of like it. And yeah, I will get to this soon, I hope, but I'm panning another, like a Sephora lip stain in another project that is almost identical in color, so you know how that goes. So I've devoted this project to the Bright Lip, which is the Buxom Vava Plump Shiny Liquid Lipstick in Wine Me. This started at 8 grams. Last update I was at 7 grams, and it just must have been like right on the bubble of going to 7 grams because it hasn't budged. And if any of you watch my videos on a fairly regular basis, you realize I've been wearing this a ton. It's like not a me thing, and I've been wearing it a ton and it hasn't budged. So just out of curiosity, because that's how I roll, I decided just to weigh the like wand cap thing. This thing is 3 grams. So the plastic on the bottom has to weigh almost that much. So the actual product probably doesn't weigh a whole lot. So I don't think it's going to change, and I'm just going to keep working on it. I can't really show any visual progress on this, but I'm just going to keep using it. You guys know I've been wearing it a lot. So we'll just keep working on it. The e.l.f. Lip Lock Pencil, I haven't touched it all just because, I've been trying to work on the other lip products. The ColourPop Jelly Much Shadow in On the Fly, I actually do have it on my eyes today. I really like the shade a whole lot, and I'm making some good progress. It's a very malleable product, but I did actually kind of hit pan there. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it down in there, but I did hit pan. But much like Super Shocks, it can move a whole lot. Actually, I think the Jelly Much moves a whole lot more, just because it is a water-based kind of product. So it's not super impressive that I hit pan, but I have been using it here and there, just not as much as I should, because I've been focused on that palette. But you know how that goes when you're doing a lot of projects. I'm enjoying it. It is in my basket this week, so it is going to get a lot more use this week, and hopefully I will continue to get more usage out of it. The last one is my most impressive product. This is ColourPop's BFF Cream Gel Liner in Puppy. I love the color of it. I think it's super pretty. I just don't love it on my waterline. I tried it. It made me look sick. So as I said in my previous update, I have started using it like actually on my lower lash line underneath my lashes, And I actually have it on today. And then I set the liner with the black eyeshadow. And I've had fabulous progress on this one. This is what I have left. And it still looks like a lot, but when you realize how much product starts in these things, it's not that much. So this is where I started. This is where I was at the first update, and this is where I am right now. So I still have that much product left, but that is a lot of progress. I use this frequently. If I am doing a warm toned look, I'm going to go with this. If I'm not doing a warm tone look, I have one other eyeliner that I'm working on to finish this year, and that is a like a liquid black liner. So those are pretty much the two that I'm wearing on a regular basis. So this does get a lot of usage on it. So it's definitely not going to be done by the next update, but 2, maybe 3 updates, I think this one can possibly be done. Now here's where it comes down to your vote, your opinion, your thoughts, cares, concerns, whatever you want to call it. I have 5 products in now. We can do 3 to 6. I have been toying with the idea of adding a 6th product into this project for usage only, because I kind of feel like with hard to use products that aren't really going very quickly, you can't really show visual progress, I find that updates are kind of boring. So I was kind of wondering if you guys would like to see me add in that 6th product just for usage. I have not pulled out any, like maybe this or maybe that. I'm just kind of curious if that's something that you guys would like to see, since, you know, we're going all the way till December with this, and some of these are going to go all the way till December. Like the eyeliner's not, but the 3 lip products and the Jelly Much eyeshadow probably are going to go maybe not that long, but pretty darn close, if not that long. So let me know what you guys think. Do you want me to add something in just to, you know, keep it going and feel like there's actually something happening in this project? Or should I just kind of, you know, go with the status quo of what I've already got in here? So let me know down in the comments. I could go either way, and, you know, I want your opinion. All right, I'm going to wrap this up. Definitely go check out the ladies down below. There is a ton of people doing it this year. A lot of people that did it last year are doing it again this year. And then there's so many more people that have joined in. So if you would like to join in, by all means, just pick your cream, gel, liquid products and have at it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.